So, there's going to be a few things you'll notice different about the daily vlog. So for one, you'll see a little bit of me going to and from work, which is something I don't normally show. Another thing is that you might see a few more projects because I tend to concentrate on just one, just to keep the continuity. So you might see some of the other little bits that I do around the property and the garden as well. Love creating these little areas just out of grass. So it's free to do, good for the wildlife, less maintenance. I think it looks really cool. So this glamorous area is a gardener's tea room, shared by the lawnmower and sometimes the chickens. All the mod cons. The kettle doesn't whistle, so I do it for it. We don't need none of that posh chateau life. The backbone of this chateau, the gardeners. Anyway, I'm going to have this. Then I'm going to get back to work. Just mowing today really, keeping on top of the grass. And nothing too exciting to do. Ever since I fitted this mulching kit, just full of grass, clogging up all the time. Probably the grass is just growing too fast for it at the moment. So make sure it's clean. It's been a hot one today. Anyway, just got to finish off a little bit of watering, make sure everything's going to survive the heat, and then that's it. Home time. I'm here again tomorrow, so I don't need to worry too much about that. Anyway, that's vlog 2 of the daily vlogs over. See you tomorrow. Bye.